Multiplying decimals. Example 1. A welded bracket weighs 3.2 pounds and 15 brackets are made. What is the total weight of the brackets? So for this problem, we are going to multiply this 3.2 times 15. So we're dealing with decimals now because we have a 3.2 pound. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 15 above and we're going to put the 3.2 below. Notice we didn't care about decimal places or place value at all, between decimal place values or whole number place values. So all we're going to do is just line them up based upon just the number of digits. So we both have 2 digits, so either could go on the top or the bottom. Then we're going to start by multiplying. We're going to start with this 2 like we've done before, and we're just going to treat it like we're going 15 times 32. So 2 times 5 is 10. We're going to carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Do a placeholder for 0 right there in the 1 spot, and then we're going to move on to 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Put a 5 below, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Then, like before, we're going to add these two numbers together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then we have 4. Then, now we need to deal with the decimal place value. So we have 1 decimal place value because after the decimal we only have 1 digit because the 15 has 0. So we just count them up. So we only have 1. So that means we need to move this decimal over, then just over 1. So it goes to here. So we would say we have 48 pounds then for the total weight of the brackets. Now let's do another example. Example 2. A welder cuts 24 square pieces, that is 3.125 inches wide. What is the total length that will be cut for the square pieces? Disregard the waste caused by cutting curve in this example. So we need to multiply these two numbers together. And we're going to take the number with more digits and put that 1 on top. Then we're going to multiply it by 24. So notice once again, we do not care about place value until the very end. So we're just going to line up so the last digits here and then the second last digits there. And then all we would go is 4 times 5, which is 20. So 0 below, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 0 below, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is then 12. So we'll just put 12 there. Then we're going to move on to the 2. But first we're going to put that placeholder value of 0. Then we can begin. 2 times 5 is 10. So 0 below, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now we can go ahead and add these numbers together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 below, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 5. And 1 plus 6 is 7. Then we need to count the place values after the decimal. So here's our decimal. And here are 1, 2, 3. So that means we're going to need to move the decimal 3 times because the bottom one we don't have to add anymore because there is no decimal place values for it. So we would go and move the decimal over 3. So we go 1, 2, 3. So we stop right there and we would have 75 inches for the total length.